Hello everyone. Welcome to Simple English Lab. Today, we will learn English through stories. It will be fun. It will be easy. You do not need grammar. You do not need any rules. Why? Because when we were children, we learned our mother language without grammar. We learned it without rules. We just listened and we learned. So today, we will do the same. Listen carefully. Notice how words are used together. Repeat what you hear. This is how we will learn English, through stories, with joy and without stress. So, let's begin. The Clever Crow. One hot day, a crow was flying in the sky. He was very thirsty. The crow said, "I am so thirsty. I need water." He looked here and there. Then he saw a pot. He flew to the pot and looked inside. There was some water, but it was too low. The crow said, "I cannot drink the water. What should I do?" He thought for a moment. Then he got an idea. He said, "I will drop stones into the pot. Then the water will come up." He found some small stones. He dropped them one by one into the pot. Slowly, the water came up. The crow drank the water. He was happy and flew away. The Tree and the Boy. There was a big tree. It had green leaves, strong branches, and sweet fruit. A little boy came to play under the tree. The tree loved the boy. The boy played on its branches. He ate its fruit. He was happy, and the tree was also happy. Years passed. The boy grew up. One day, the boy said, "I need money." The tree said, "Take my fruits, sell them. You will get money." The boy took the fruits and went away. Many years later, he came again. He said, "I want to build a house. I need wood." The tree said, "Cut my branches. You can use them." The boy cut the branches and made a house. After a long time, the boy came back. Now he was an old man. He said, "I am tired. I need a place to rest." The tree said, "I have nothing left, but you can sit on my stump and rest." The old man sat down. The tree was happy again. The Hare and the Tortoise. One day a hare saw a tortoise. The hare said, "You walk so slowly. Can you ever win a race?" The tortoise said, "Let's try. Let's run a race." The hare laughed and said, "Okay, let's start." The race began. The hare ran very fast. The tortoise walked slowly. The hare looked back. The tortoise was far behind. The hare said, "I will take a nap. The tortoise is so slow." But while the hare was sleeping, the tortoise kept walking, slowly and steadily. The tortoise reached the finish line. When the hare woke up, he saw the tortoise had already won. The Lion and the Mouse. One day, a lion was sleeping in the forest. A little mouse was playing nearby. The mouse ran over the lion's body. The lion woke up and roared, "Who is that? I will eat you." The mouse was scared. He said, "Please don't eat me. One day I will help you." The lion laughed. "You help me? Haha, but okay, I will let you go." A few days later, the lion was caught in a net. He roared, "Help! Help!" The mouse heard him and ran to help. He used his small teeth and cut the net. The lion was free. He said, "Thank you, little mouse. You saved me."